What if we told you that your startup could help solve some of the world's biggest problems, while still being profitable? Welcome to the Sustainable Development Goals, a global blueprint for a better future. The Sustainable Development Goals, or SDGs, are 17 global objectives adopted by the United Nations in 2015. They aim to address critical issues like poverty, climate change, gender equality, and sustainable economic growth, all by 2030. But why should startups care? Because today's consumers, investors, and partners are looking for businesses that create impact. Companies aligned with the SDGs are more likely to attract funding, gain loyal customers, and even open new market opportunities. Let's highlight all 17 SDGs and how they connect with startups. SDG 1, No Poverty. Can your solution create jobs or improve financial access? SDG 2, Zero Hunger. Does your startup address food security or sustainable agriculture? SDG 3, Good Health and Well-being. Are you innovating in healthcare, wellness, or mental health? SDG 4, Quality Education. Can your business improve education access or digital learning? SDG 5, Gender Equality. Does your startup promote gender diversity and empowerment? SDG 6, Clean Water and Sanitation. Are you working on water purification, sanitation, or hygiene? SDG 7, Affordable and Clean Energy. Does your solution focus on renewable energy or energy efficiency? SDG 8, Decent Work and Economic Growth. Does your startup promote fair wages, workplace inclusivity, or entrepreneurship? SDG 9, Industry, Innovation, and Infrastructure. Are you using technology to solve global challenges? SDG 10, Reduced Inequalities. Can your business support marginalized communities or economic inclusion? SDG 11, Sustainable Cities and Communities. Are you creating smart cities or sustainable housing solutions? SDG 12, Responsible Consumption and Production. Is your product sustainable or minimizing waste? SDG 13, Climate Action. Can your business reduce environmental impact? SDG 14, Life Below Water. Does your startup help protect marine life or reduce ocean pollution? SDG 15, Life on Land. Are you working on biodiversity, reforestation, or land restoration? SDG 16, Peace, Justice, and Strong Institutions. Can your startup promote social justice or transparency? SDG 17, Partnerships for the Goals. Are you collaborating with other businesses, governments, or NGOs for impact? Many startups have built success stories around the SDGs. Companies like Patagonia lead in sustainable fashion, Tesla revolutionized clean energy, and African fintech startups are driving financial inclusion. Your startup could be next. Want to integrate SDGs into your business model? Here's how. Identify which SDGs align with your mission. Innovate with sustainable solutions. Measure your impact using key performance indicators. Partner with organizations, NGOs, or government agencies. Tell your story. Investors and customers love businesses that create real impact. Startups have the power to change the world. By aligning with the SDGs, you're not just running a business, you're building a legacy. So what SDG will your startup contribute to? Let's make an impact together.